What is up, guys? I am back here with another opening. So tonight we have Korean. Got the Korean packs, got 6 of them. Doing those again. Then Dollar Tree pack, got 4 of those. We got Sword Shield base. And then I'm doing Fates Collide and then X and Y Breakpoint. So first we're gonna hop into the Korean. So let's get to those. I'm gonna grab the scissors. Always forget to grab them. Okay, there we go. Okay. Lily pad thing. More Pico. Skizzers. And then Trainer. Okay. That pack took me a struggle. Kind of threw me off for a second. Alright, here we go. Weezing. Electabuzz. Wingull. Toxic Ooze again. Then a hollow Applin something. Applin's evolution. Can't remember. Okay, here we go. Got Nosepass. Fire Anteater, Applin. Can't remember. And a hollow Clefable. Wick thing. Milk. Beetle. Duck thing. And then Galarian. Can't remember. Snow Monster. Man, if I can open this pack. Okay. Bird. That thing. A lily pad. A ball. And then Toxtricity V. I think I have him in English or Japanese, either one. It's always cool. Get them all 3 languages. Okay. Trubbish. Bear. All creamy. And then that bird. Okay. Well, there we go. There's the Korean. Done. So now let's move into Dollar Tree packs. First we do Cosmic Eclipse. Oh yeah, these ones are a struggle. I forgot. Okay, here we go. Spheal. Whoops. Onyx. Rivacala. An Island Challenge Amulet. Okay, Unified Minds. Okay. 4 Mantis. Yungoos. And Magneton. Okay, now we're getting the Sword and Shield base. I think I got the cards, but hopefully we don't get anything. Okay, good. Krabby, and then Galarian Stunfish. Oh, it looks like the Sword and Shield ones don't have those little card things in the back of them, like other ones do. Munna, Rosalina, Rod and Bike. Okay, now into the X and Y packs. Set these off. Okay. Okay, code card. Alright, let's give it a try. Hopefully this doesn't mess anything. So, 1, 2, 3 to the front. Hopefully this doesn't mess anything up. Okay. Team Rocket Handiwork. Chinsino. Kangashihan. Bronzer. Cottony. Burmy. Larvitar. Meowth. Reverse Hollow, Delphox, and on the back, ooh, a Hollow Mew. Nice. So yeah, it is 3. Nice. Figured out the trick. Code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Servine, Energy Boost, Pupitar, Bronzer, Cottony, Burmy, Larvitar, Meowth, Helix Fossil Omnity, and it's Superior, I think. Alright, now let's get into XY break. These code cards facing the wrong way again. Alright, we'll see. I don't know about these ones. I'm pretty sure they're the same, but we're just gonna look. Blitzel, Staryu, Esper, Ferroseed, Golduck, and then that's more than likely where the rare would be. An All-Night Party. And Stantler. So yeah, it is 3 to the front for these ones too. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Oh, wow. That's nice. Reverse Ab Valley, Gabite, Delinquent, Gibble, Staryu, Scorpy, Petlo, Pancham, Reverse Hollow, Pantump, on the back, Luxray. Okay. Well, that is all for tonight, guys. 3 hollows, 1 V. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please tune in next time. Bye.